CREC Museum Academy provides a humanities-based curriculum combined with museum methods and ideology. Expeditions. Students participate in a variety of field studies. Expeditions provide content-connected experiences presented by experts in the field. Project-based learning. Students create artifacts supporting and enhancing their knowledge and understanding of content in a hands-on way. Exhibitions. Student work is showcased in tri-annual exhibits, providing students an opportunity to display and highlight their learning to public audiences. Visual thinking strategies. Teachers and students participate in museum methods. Deep listening and responsive practices based on observations of formal art develop higher-level language and thinking skills. Museum Academy provides a rich education infused with curriculum and creativity where every child is a masterpiece. For more information regarding the lottery, please contact the Regional School Choice Office.